Welcome. Struggling to record videos with sound on Instagram? Let's fix that right now. Here's how to enable microphone access in just a few taps, so your reels, stories, and calls always include crystal clear audio. First, grab your phone and unlock it. Swipe over to your Settings app. It's the gear-shaped icon usually on your home screen or app drawer. Tap to open it. Now scroll down until you see Apps or App Management. This might be labeled slightly differently depending on your phone, but look for the section that manages all your installed applications. Tap it. You'll see a list of every app on your device. Scroll through or use the search bar at the top to find Instagram. Once you spot it, tap directly on the app's name to open its settings. Next, look for the word Permissions. This is where you control what parts of your phone Instagram can access, things like your camera, contacts, or, in this case, your microphone. Tap it. Inside Permissions, you'll see a list of features. Find Microphone in the menu. If it's already turned on, you're all set. But if it's off, just tap the option and select Allow, or toggle the switch to the right. This tells your phone to let Instagram use your mic whenever you're recording or on a call. And that's it. Exit Settings, reopen Instagram, and try recording a video. You should now hear sound playing back perfectly. No more silent clips or muted calls. Quick tip. If you ever change your mind, just follow these same steps to toggle permissions off. But for now, go ahead. Test it out. Record a quick story, add your voiceover to a reel, or jump into a video chat. Your microphone is ready to work. Thanks for tuning in. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.